built a cardboard model of the Edmund Fitzgerald engine room so you can know what it is like inside of that ship's engine room. We'll start our tour at the lowest level of the engine room. To the left is the main condenser. Here are the ballast pumps. The four large ones, which are the main ballast pumps, have 100 horsepower motors. Right here is the small auxiliary ballast pump, which there are two of. Now we're looking at the circulating pumps. They're both 50 horsepower motors which circulate water through the condenser. Here is a real-life photo. In the back you can see the condenser and the oil coolers, and here are the circulating pumps. Now we're on the second level of the engine room, and here are the coal-fired D-type boilers. You can see the control panel right here, and there are the coal chutes that let the coal go down into the stokers. Here is the main engine. It's an 8,250 horsepower steam turbine. Its normal power output is 7,500 horsepower. The high pressure turbine spins at almost 6,000 RPM, and through the gearbox it turns the propeller at about 100 RPM. The low pressure turbine spins a little bit slower, and at the end has the reverse turbine. Here's the condenser directly underneath the turbine. It's to condense all the exhaust steam. Here we're looking at the two 400 kilowatt steam turbine alternators which provide all the electricity to the ship. Here are the feedwater pumps. This is the electric feedwater pump, and in the background is a steam turbine powered feedwater pump. Over here is the machine shop. There's a lathe and a drill press and a table. In the background you can see the 200 kilowatt diesel generator, which is a backup to the main generators. At the very back of the engine room is the electric hydraulic power steering. Now we are inside the boiler uptake. Now we will end our tour on the poop deck. This is the highest level of the engine room, and here are the draft fans and the feedwater heaters. Pipes from the feedwater heaters go down to the feedwater pumps. In the front you see the induced draft fans, which are belt driven. To the rear are the forced draft fans. They are also electric motor powered,